All right, we're at case 6 of the experiment. This is experiment 14, torques, equilibrium, and the center of gravity. And actually, this is the center of gravity portion of the experiment. And they say to take basically the same setup that we had last time, the 100 grams at the end, but this time we're putting 100 grams at 60. And of course, it's not going to balance from where we had the clamp the last time. So we need to find the balancing point that came off of 60. Let's put it back to 60. Well, it would be, let's see, it looks like about it, not quite. Let's put our little straw. It's a little heavy on this side. Oh, too heavy on that side. Let's move back to 60. It slid. Okay, we've got 100 at 1, and it's not quite at 60. Put it at 60. 100 at 1 and 100 at 60. And the balancing point looks like it's at 33. I'm going to call it 33.2. 33.2. 33.2. Okay, now we move this to 70 and find a balancing point. Does that look good? We'll call it 37.4. 37.4 is what I'm going to call it. The 100 at 1 and 100 at 70. And this is at 37.4. So let's write that down. 37.4. Now we move this to 80. And we're going to move that. Too much on that side. Still too much on that side. Gonna have to readjust that because it slipped off of 80. Okay, and there's the balance. It's at 41.6. Okay, now I got to be careful with this because the whole thing might fall off. This one's taped. I'm going to put this at 90. And that's pretty close. So this is at 1, And this is at 90. Let's adjust it. This is at 1, 100 at 1, and 100 at 90. And this is at 45. I'm going to call it 45.7. 45.7. And I think that's it for the experiment. That was the end of case 6.